Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, make sure that your PayPal is linked with your debit card. If it's not, just get right here in Wallet, and then just hit at that plus sign next to banks and cards to link your card to PayPal. After that, you can tap at that home icon, not home but finances, then select crypto. Then you can select between 4 different currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even Bitcoin Cash. So I'm just gonna pick Bitcoin. And then in order to buy some, you can just hit at buy, and after that you will be able to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my PayPal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.